Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 Xiaomi phones you should consider buying in 2024. Xiaomi has been making waves in the tech community with their innovative designs and powerful features, and this year is no exception. We've got a lineup that caters to every type of user, from flagship lovers to those on a budget. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a new phone, stick around as we explore what makes each of these models a must-buy this year. Kicking off our list is the Xiaomi Mi 12, a phone that's all about pushing the limits of what a flagship can do. With its sleek design and state-of-the-art AMOLED display, the Mi 12 offers an immersive viewing experience that is hard to beat. Under the hood, it packs the latest Snapdragon processor coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and gaming. The camera setup is also a highlight, featuring a versatile triple camera system that captures stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. Battery life is impressive too, with fast charging that gets you powered up in no time. If you're looking for a phone that combines top-tier performance with premium design, the Xiaomi Mi 12 should definitely be on your radar. Next up is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, the champion of budget smartphones. This device proves that you don't have to break the bank to get great performance and features. It sports a robust processor that handles daily tasks with ease, and the full HD Plus display ensures that your media looks crisp and vibrant. The Redmi Note 12 also boasts a durable battery life, supporting extensive use throughout the day without frequent recharges. Additionally, its camera system allows for good quality photos and videos, making it a great option for social media enthusiasts. With its combination of affordability, performance, and durability, the Redmi Note 12 stands out as the best budget smartphone of 2024.